Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Friday, March 8th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I'm getting ready to head out with my family for the afternoon and evening, but I just wanted to shoot a quick video and show you that last night at around 5:33 p.m., right, about 20 hours ago, I got this email, new MIF referral. You just made $20 from a monthly reseller sale. All right, and I'm going to log into my back office here in multiple income funnel and show you that this sale, you see right here, March 7th, came in from myleadgensecret. And this was an email. This tag is 3/6/24. So I sent this out on March 6th, 2024. And I had a sale yesterday. All right, this is my second sale using the multiple income funnel. And I can't honestly tell you where my first annual sale came from because I wasn't using tracking tags, okay? But I'm going to show you my leads over here. And you can see here, ever since I added a MLGS tracking code, or I started using tracking links, you can see all the leads I've been getting from myleadgensecret. All right, and yesterday alone, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leads yesterday came in, and 1 sale. And I didn't even send out one yet. And you can see this, March 8th, I got a lead today. And this is the same email I sent out back on March 6th. All right, that just came in. So I'm super happy with myleadgensecret. I'm super happy with multiple income funnel. And I'm using the multiple income funnel to promote or to build my Great Life Worldwide business. And I just think this is a great system. I'm watching somebody who is one of the top earners in Live Good. I'm following exactly what this person is doing. And you can see that I'm getting more and more results as the days go on. So I'm going to keep continuing to use these systems. And I just love it. I mean, this is how easy it is. When somebody comes in, they're going to see this when they join multiple income funnel underneath me. Now you have your first income stream is obviously the multiple income funnel, but the second stream I have here, because you can change 2 and 3 to whatever you want. I have Great Life Worldwide. My income stream number 3 is classified submission, which you can change this out. All right, last week on my annual sale, where I made a $200 commission, somebody came in here, you went to classified ads, and they purchased a yearly subscription. I made another $98 on that. All right, so this is a powerful system here that I'm going to continue using to build these to build Great Life Worldwide and to make other commission sales. All right, and then income stream number 4 is traffic authority. And then up here for the bonus incomes is myleadgensecret. So you can see with myleadgensecret, I have 2 accounts now. And my first account here, I have close to 50,000 leads. All right, 48,800 leads. I'm getting 200 leads a day because I have affiliates in this program. So when you join this for $1 a day, you get 100 biz op seeking leads every single day. And when you refer somebody to their program, you're going to get an additional 100 bonus leads. All right, so that's why I'm getting 200 leads a day here in this account. Now, my other account, I don't have any referrals yet, so I'm still getting 100 leads, but basically I'm getting 300 leads a day that I'm sending out to. And I'm just going to show you back here. Look at the stats here. Let me see where it shows it a little better. You can see here. Now, I sent this out yesterday to 48,600 people. 2,756 people opened it. I got 117 clicks and a 6%, which is a 6% open rate, and then a 4% click-through rate. All right, so I love, love, love this program. If you're looking for leads that will convert over time, okay? You can't just send out crappy emails. You got to send out emails that have, and this is what I'm learning. This is what I did wrong when I had this before and I wasn't seeing anything. you have to have a signature here. All right. So this link will go to whatever it is I'm doing for the day. Sometimes I send out and I promote my lead gen secret. Sometimes I send out and promote the multiple income funnel. Most times I'll send out and I'm promoting my Great Life Worldwide tour page. And then down here, I have a button that people can click on and it takes them over to my Facebook channel so they can see that I'm a real person. This is to my YouTube channel so they can see that I make videos consistently. And then down here, I'm just asking them, or I'm letting them know that they can get 100 buyer leads in the next 10 minutes by clicking here. And this link is going over to my second My Lead Gen Secret page. All right, that's where I want to get a sign up so then I get 200 leads over there. And that's all I'm doing, folks. You know, and it's the key to it is just staying consistent. All right. And I wanted to test this out with 2 accounts before I went up to 5 accounts. But now that I see it's working, I'm going to go up and I'm going to get 5 accounts here. And then that should bring in even better results over time. All right. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you that I got another sale. I'm super happy with it. Super happy with this complete system and the way that I'm using these different programs to not only build Great Life Worldwide, but to give me additional income streams. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down below the video and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can also reach out to me on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have and to help you get set up and get going and to share with you what I'm doing. So if you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.